Hi. Frequently question is about how add flaps or brake function on ailerons. Flaps function on ailerons could be a big mistake. Be aware about that. But brake function on ailerons is standard function on mostly on simple airplanes models like Easy Star, Easy Glider, etc. Description of this function is actually in some of my long complete lessons video about OpenTx, but okay, I will make a crumb, this small video, only about this function. So, one important thing, this is not exact and only one way how to do. Yes, of course, on your model you must set reverses, weight of mixes, etc. Depending on your model configuration. Yes, I think it's clear, but unfortunately sometimes not. So I will show you this on Taranis-E, of course. On Taranis Plus, standard Taranis, it's absolutely same, but on this side you have button plus, minus and exit probably. I don't know now. So same on Taranis-E or Taranis Plus. So I have here some model. Oh, one next thing. Firmware on this radio now is in Czech language, but this is really not important because this is really basic functions. On mixer, I have ailerons on 2 channel, 2 and 6. Look on and check. Yes. 2 and 6 channels are channels with ailerons. Now I want add on this channel 2 and 6 brake functions. I want use for that this switch, top position of switch, no response, no effect, middle or center position of switch, small brakes, down position, big brakes. How to do? Again, more ways. I use for it curves. So I will add next mix on channel 2, where source will be directly this switch. Maybe it looks like it is finished, but not, because look on servo monitor. If you fill channel directly by switch, you fill this channel without next editing. You will fill this channel with values -100, 0, +100. Of course, we want different values. We want nothing, 25 for example, or something like that, and 50% for example. For this I will use a curve, custom curve. So go down on curves, select custom, C or K, depending on your language, C or curve 1. 3 points is enough. And point number 1, this is top position of switch. Point number 2, center position of switch. Point number 3, bottom position of switch. Now is curve in all 3 points in 0 position without any effect. So for top position of switch, first point, this is okay, because on the first position, top position, we don't want any effect. Center position, we want something like that. And bottom position of switch, point number 3, we want something like that, for example. Look at that. Okay, it works. But we can use slow function for slower activation of brakes. So in this mix, something like this, just slow function, slower. Again, check, and you can see activation of brakes is slower. Yes. Nothing special and really easy on OpenTx. Of course, functions of ailerons still works. Yes, it's sure, I hope. Now this mix with brake, we will copy it on our second aileron on channel 6 in my case. In your case, it could be of course different. Again, servo monitor, and you can see ailerons are working and brakes working too. Maybe you want to use on this not a switch but slider on side slider. Again, it's easy. You just must change input in this mixes about brakes. So source will be not switch but slider. Move with slider and it will set automatically. Again, check with servo monitor. Yes. If you want opposite reaction, top position nothing, down position full movement, you just again more ways. Probably most easy is just edit a curve. Just change -100. Big brake, middle position okay, 100, point number 3, 100 movement of slider, I think. Just try it and you will see how it works, really easy. Now, second. Yes. I will copy it on second aileron. So now I will delete previous version with switch. And now I will copy new version with slider. I will copy new version with slider on second aileron on channel 6. And you can see it just works. Nothing special, really easy I think. What do you think? So, thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you later.